11 troubleshooting tips to fix iPhone keyboard not showing up. Disconnect Bluetooth keyboard. In the Settings app, go to Bluetooth. Next to the connected keyboard name, tap on the info icon. Select Forget this device and confirm the action. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart the iPhone. Press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. Tap the text input box a few times. Tap the text input box multiple times to ensure the iPhone registers your touch input correctly. If the keyboard appears and then closes automatically or the input area doesn't react when tapping, you could be experiencing issues with the touch screen. Turn off reachability. Go to the iPhone settings and tap Accessibility. Select Touch and turn off reachability. Disable one-handed keyboard. Open Settings and go to General Settings. Tap Keyboard. Select one-handed keyboard and choose Off. Reopen the app. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the middle bottom. On iPhones with the Home button, double press it. Locate the app window and swipe up on it. Then open the app again. Disable third-party keyboard. Go to General in the Settings app. Navigate to Keyboard and go to Keyboards. Tap Edit. Next to a keyboard name, tap the minus icon and select Delete. When finished, tap Done. Re-add the default keyboard. Open the Settings app and go to General. Tap Keyboard and select Keyboards. Tap Edit and next to the default keyboard, tap the minus icon and select Delete. Then, select Add New Keyboard. Choose the keyboard language to add it. Update your iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reset the dictionary. Navigate to General in the Settings app. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Reset iPhone to factory settings. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device and set it up again. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.